So this video is going to show you how to use Google's research command to look specifically in this case for pictures that are free to use by anybody on the internet and how to properly attribute them. So not everything on the internet is free to use. Okay, we don't just want to copy and paste everything there. Some pictures are copyrighted and you could get in trouble for using them, and then other pictures aren't. So we want to be sure we get the pictures that are free for anybody to use, and we want to learn how to properly put an attribution into our paper. So you can see here that you're going to do get a picture from the internet for this assignment. So what you do is you go under Tools and Research. And then on the right hand side you get this box that comes up. So I am looking for a graduated cylinder. So I type in graduated cylinder and you can see Google gets to work right away searching for things. But I don't want to go through all these different web pages, okay? I just want to look at pictures. So here I can click on this little down arrow and filter results to just images. That's all I want to look at. I just want to see pictures of things. And now I get all these pictures. But not necessarily all these pictures are safe for me to use. If you click on this down arrow here, you can see I have different usage rights. These are not filtered by license. If I click down here, I want to select the things that are free to use, share, or modify, even commercially, and click on that. Now, this citation format, if you were doing a formal bibliography for class, here you could choose MLA, APA, or Chicago type of citations. Here at Golden Valley, we mostly use MLA. So these are the pictures I get to choose from. Not every picture is appropriate. First off, some of these are drawings. We don't want to use drawings, okay, or little comics, as fun as they are. So let's pick a good picture of a graduated cylinder. I like this one. So if I click on this picture, it opens up to where this picture is from, and it's from Wikimedia Commons. And Wikimedia Commons has a lot of great pictures for us to use for free. So you can see you have all different choices: download, use the file on a web page, which is kind of what you're doing, use it on a wiki, email a link, and there's information about it. We want to insert that picture into our assignment, into this box. So I can insert image, and here I have a couple of different choices. I can upload a picture, which, you know, you could do using the web if you had a cell phone picture or something like that. You could take a picture using your webcam, or what we want to do in this case is paste an image URL right there. So if I click back on my Wikimedia picture and use this file on the web, you can see you have a page URL and you have a file URL. You want the file URL. If you click it, it's automatically highlighted. We want to copy it. So to copy things quickly, you use the Control-C. And you press Control and then C. And then I can go back to my assignment and then use Control-V to paste it in there. And you can see right away it pops up with my image. So that's what I want, so I click Select. And my picture was actually very large. It doesn't quite fit in the box. In fact, you don't even see the graduated cylinder. So I want to use my cursor and again click on the picture, and here you can see the outline of the picture. It's even bigger than the page. So if I click on it and grab one of these corners and drag it down, it's going to shrink it so that it starts to fit in the box better. It's not going to fit perfectly, okay? But we want to at least be able to see what it is. So see, it's getting better. It's almost to what we need. Starting to look like a graduated cylinder. And that's good, okay? Not perfect, but good enough. The last thing we want to do is we want to get in the attribution for this, okay? They're cited. So if we go back to the Wikimedia page, you can see right here, here's the attribution. We want to do the same thing and copy it. So if you click on it once, you can, it'll highlight it, do Control C, go back to your page, click on your attribution box, and then Control V. And there it pastes the attribution or the citation for you. So you want to do this for everything that is not grayed out. So you want to find an Erlenmeyer flask, a test tube brush, etc., and find a picture and an attribution for each one of these. So that's how you can use Google's research command to help you get free pictures that are legal to use in your documents. When you're all done, you can just click on that corner, and it'll close the window.